Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Mark. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya, wonderful wide-legged forward bend with a twist. Reach with your left palm, big toes. If you can, loop the two peace fingers around the big toe, thumb on top. Make sure your right buttock has still contact with the floor. If you can, bring the elbow down. Use the elbow as a lever. Bring your right arm up. Keep the arm next to the ear. Try to bring almost your back towards your thigh and reach towards the foot. You can brace the foot with both arms. Not needed. Stay here for a moment and then come back to the center and change. Reach with your right palm. If you can again, you can also catch the ankle or the shin. Two peace fingers around. Bring your elbow down. Use the elbow as a lever. Left arm up and reach. Breathe here for a while and then come back to the center. Relax. Hari Om Tat Sat. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.